Putting is often thought of as a game within the game of golf, and believe me, how you putt can win or lose the game for you. These are some of the words you will need. Practice green, a green that has many holes with smaller than usual flagsticks in. This green is the place to go to perfect your putting. Pendulum swing, the motion that a golfer uses with his putter, totally different to a golf swing for other shots. Path, the direction that the putter and the ball are going. Pace means the speed of the putter stroke. Pin, this is another term for the flagstick, which shows you the location of the hole. Pitch mark, this is a small depression that can happen when the ball lands on the green after being pitched. It is etiquette and rules that you repair any pitch marks that your ball makes. Putting line, a theoretical line from the ball to the hole. This will help you aim more accurately. Cup, another word for the hole. Approach, a shot taken by a golfer from the fairway to the green.